Hi everyone. Sorry my lighting is so bad. The main light in my room really messes up the video. So my two sites are DJI, which is a consumer drone and gimbal company, and Craigslist. DJI is the good site, in my opinion. It's got really intuitive links. Say up here at the consumer tab, there's plenty of options and it's well organized. I think the colors mesh really well in the site. Obviously, all the photos on the site are really clean and well taken. As you scroll down, you can see all the options for their products, um, particularly the current ones. So it's all up to date. And this part I think is really cool. It has videos that you can quickly move from one to the other, showing off different products and what they do. And then down here at the bottom, it gives you more options: personal video production, enterprise, and agriculture. And then this is probably my favorite part of the website. When you scroll down through all of these different links and things to show off the website, you get to the bottom and you have the where to buy, and then it shows your retail stores nearby. Let that load for a second. It even has a map on the website, which is really detailed, and you can go all the way into St. Louis. I'll skip that part, but block my location. And then it's got the support and the fly safe. The fly safe is basically it tells you where you can fly on a map, like how to avoid airport restrictions and whatnot. And at the very bottom of the site, you have even more links, kind of like about tabs and stuff like that. Just helps you get around the website a lot better. So I think this is a very intuitive website. It's got really cool design. All the colors mesh really well. And yeah, bad website is Craigslist. Way too many links. And oftentimes you're not going to find what you're looking for on this front page. And especially something that really drives me crazy, because I've used Craigslist before, is it's really hard to search for like specific items, and especially for high quality items to come up first. So I'll just search for dartboard. And I've noticed that on the mobile version, it doesn't really show images. But yeah, this is kind of what I'm talking about. So a lot of these are pretty used and not in great shape. Some of them are, but it doesn't really put the best options first. And sure, you can have filters for that, but I'm looking for a filter right now, and yeah, so condition. And it's just kind of hard to find stuff on the site. As far as colors go and design, I think it's pretty boring. It's just blue and white. There's not really any design to it. They just threw together a bunch of links. So yeah, there's not much to it, and that's why I don't think this is a great site.